First of all, I would like to welcome our esteemed and young and dynamic motivator, our laughter therapy. Who is that? Can you guess? Who is that? Who is that? Please welcome with your claps our beloved sir, Hitesh Bhagat sir. A warm welcome to you, sir, for our program. Do you know the meaning of Hitesh?
The one who wishes on us good.
Yes, one who wishes our well-being, well-wisher. Sir is really apt for the name, I think. And Bhagat means I want to call him Bhagavan. What is Bhagavan?
Lord.
Meaning Lord, the Guru who shows the way to us in to move in a right way, right path. Okay, sir. Well, thank you for being here today. Without any delay, let's get started into our program. We are gathered here not only to celebrate our learning journey, but also to celebrate the significance, to honor the significance of the day. That is, today is what? Today, what is the special, sir? Kartika Purnami and Guru Nanak Jayanti. Let us celebrate with a prayer song. I would like to call Mr. Santosh, sir. Please come on to the dais.
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುರುನಾನಕ ಜಯಂತಿಯ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Let's pray for God and fill this atmosphere with divine feeling.
Yes, sir.
Om Mahapranadeepam Shivam Shivam Mahankararupam Shivam Shivam Mahasuryachandragninetram pavitram Mahagaಢतिमिरान्तकं सौरगात्रं महाकान्तिबीजं महादिव्यतेजं भवानी समेतं भज मंजुनाथं. नमः शंकराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च भवहराय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भज मंजुनाथं शिवं शिवं. ओम अद्वैत भास्करं वर्धनारीश्वरं हृदयंगमं चतुर्विधि संगमो पंचभूतात्मकं शत्रुनाशकं सप्तस्वरेश्वरो अष्टसिद्धीश्वरो नवरस मनोहरो दशदिशाचु विमलम् एकादशोज्ज्वलं मेघनाथेश्वरं प्रस्तुतिवशङ्करं प्रणतजनकिङ्करं दुर्जन भयङ्करो सज्जन शुभङ्करो भानि भवतारकं प्रकृतिहितकारकं भुवन भव्य भयनायकं भाग्यात्मकं रक्षकं ईशं सुरेशं ऋषेशं परेशं नटेशं गौरीशं गणेशं भूतेशं महामधुर पंचाक्षरी मंत्रमार्चं महाहर्षवर्षं प्रवर्षं सुशीर्षं. नमो हराय च स्मरहराय च पुरहराय च रुद्राय च भद्राय च इंद्राय च मित्राय च निर्मिताय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भज मंजुनाथं शिवं शिवं. Thank you.
Well done, sir. May the Lord Shiva bless his showers on you always. To inspire and motivate us for the day ahead, I would like to invite Mrs. Savitri to share a thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Savitri from RI. Today's thought of the day is everything is easy when you are busy. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. When we are busy, task seems easier because we are motivated and have a sense of purpose. But when we are lazy, Even simple tasks can be feel difficult and overwhelming. So, this quote reminds us that staying focused and motivated to achieving our goals. Thank you for this opportunity.
Simply superb, madam. Thank you for your thoughtful reflections. Now, let us stay informed with the latest news updates from and around the world. I invite Mr. Shankar and Mr. Santosh here for news presentation.
Good morning, you are watching RISI Bengaluru channel. I am V. Shankar.
And this is Santosh.
Let's have a today's headlines. International news. Prachanda slams Oli, says India ties are under strain. Aruna expects to secure a strong presence in Sri Lanka's parliament. Basic countries ask nations at COP29 to honor commitments for climate finance. Let's go for national news. India to seek extradition of designated terrorist Harsh Dalla from Canada. Center. Rajnath to visit Laos next week. May meet Chinese counterpart. DRDO announces successful trials of Pinaka rocket system.
And here go for state news. Karnataka cabinet OK SIT probe into cabinet scam, COVID scam. Karnataka government plans STREAM labs to boost science learning in rural schools across the state. Karnataka plans green cess on water bills to save Western Ghats. TGPS publishes provision list of Group 4. And Andhra Pradesh government exempts statutory tax on roadworks. And here it is, sports news. Cricket. Shami signs in comeback Ranji match, fuels hopes for Border Gavaskar Trophy. Fitz wins a marathon and Sinner enters the last four. Now here it is, hockey. Asian Championship Trophy, Deepika sparkles as India overwhelms Thailand. That's all for today's news headline. For more news updates, keep watching RISI Bengaluru.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this presentation. I have took a lot more effort from Mr. Ramesh sir. Thank you very much, sir. And sir, and all my dear respected brothers and sisters, as well as my dear brothers. Cameraman Ramesh to Santosh and Shankar sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ramesh sir.
Never before, ever after. It's very innovative. It highlights some key moments of yesterday's report. Morning report has been prepared by Hasina ma'am. Welcome ma'am.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లరిಗೂ శుభోదయం hello everyone I am Hasina from Telangana. Just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day, isn't it? Just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. I am glad to express my point of view on the previous day morning session report. From the beginning of the RISI training, every morning in the reflective session, each and everyone done their best performance. The previous day report was very gracious, energetic and innovatively conducted by Nirmala and her group. Prayer song sung by Razi ma'am. Thought of the day delivered by Srikant sir. Report sharing presented by the group Rajkumar Patil sir, Renuka ma'am, Rajendra sir, Rajesh sir, Rashmi Pawar ma'am, Ravi Reddy Prasad sir. Importance of the day told by Syamakumari ma'am. They newly added curious brains. The questions were asked by Nagesh sir. TPR activity conducted by the whole team. At last, Children's Day celebrations done by them by their giving chocolates. The board of decoration of Children's Day fantabulously designed by Lalita ma'am and Vikshapati sir. After the completion of the reflective session, Mr. Suman Bandi explained about the grammar at old level, parts of speech, particularly noun, types of nouns, functions of nouns, cases of nouns, and also explained about pronouns, types of pronouns, and cases of pronouns. He gave an assignment to us on types of pronouns, its definitions with examples. After the tea break, Dr. Hitesh Bhagat got hold of our class. He gave detailed explanation on learning style, learning strategies, and multiple intelligence in CLT, fostering learning. Middle of the class, in the previous class, he gave a wonderful advice to them, like, ladies and gentlemen, replace your battery. This is the training program for 1 month to replacing our batteries. Just got a new knowledge and became a 21st century teachers. These are most valuable words to us, aren't they? Yes. And next he presented a detailed explanation on cognitive styles, sensory learning styles, personality types and personality types of learning strategies, activities in learning styles and cognitive learning activities. I hope you have a wonderful and productive day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your brief and beautiful report. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Shiva Prasad sir for the afternoon report.
After completion of our lunch, Dr. T. Manjula gave detailed information on ELT Gateway, that is English Language Teaching Subject Gateway. She explained how to download e-library and how to log in RIESI website. In this e-library, they provided Encyclopedia Britannica dictionaries and also Cambridge Dictionary, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionaries, etc. and all available in the online. Not only provided e-library but also journals, search engines, databases, ERIC, e-thesis and open education resources. Swayam, a free online education by MHRD and AICTE was designed and developed by Dr. T. Manjula. After tea break, some groups were gone to their language lab, some groups were performed their language lab and other groups were gone to the library. Some of the teachers were very busy in preparation of TLM and some of them were in co-curricular activities. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity, one and all. I'm sorry.
New opportunity to start and make our progress towards our goals. So we have here Mrs. Soumya ma'am to share the importance of the day.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Soumya from RIE. Today importances are first one Guru Nanak Jayanti. He was the founder of Sikh religion. Today his 553 third birth anniversary. Second one, celebration of birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Third one, Kartika Purnima, and I wishing you all Kartika Purnima and also Gauri Purnima. Especially in North Karnataka, today we celebrating Gauri Purnima for remembering Goddess Gauri to bless us. Thank you.
And now to make this occasion more lively and joyful, now I know you are waiting for what? Rhyme, song, which motivate all of us. Wonderful action song prepared by our own participants. Let us enjoy. Please come onto the dais, group 5 members.
RIESI, we are going to perform an action song. Please observe carefully, then join with us. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. Now this song we are going to sing in a slow motion. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. Now we will sing in a speed motion, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. I request all of you join with us. Please stand up. Yeah.
Stand up.
Motion we will sing song now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Once again. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. Now we'll sing in a slow motion. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. Last time in a speed motion. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. When I pray the Lord, the birds in the air, the fish in the sea sing alike. Jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga, jingare jinga. Thank you all.
Please give them a big round of applause. Really enjoyed. No, sir? The Jingar Jinga is very much enthusiastic and very it made us very active and energetic. Wow. Happy Kartika Purnami.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆಯ
ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷಲು. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ ಪೌರ್ಣಮಿ. Happy Kartika Purnami.
Thank you. We will take a photograph. Photo. Sabia.
We hope this day inspires you to continue your journey of learning and teaching with enthusiasm and commitment. Thank you all for being a part of this program. Have a wonderful day, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
All are looking so white without makeup.
Right now.
Ready, start? With one hand it is up. Okay. Ready, start. Nikumai deepam kartika deepam cherani ni pada sankam karpura deepam
ఆరని కుమాయి దీపం కార్తీక దీపం చేరని నీ పాదపీఠం కర్పూర దీపం. నవీన్ కన్నడ 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 స్టార్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ కన్నడ కన్నడ స్టార్ట్.
ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು.
దీపావళి పాట ఏంటది?
Can you take my mobile from you? ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು. ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ
ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿಮನೆಯ ದೀಪ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡ ದೀಪ.
ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈ ಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಡೆಯ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪ ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಮಲೆನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಡೆಯ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆವು. ಮರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ತರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ಇಳಿದೇವು ಮನವ.
మేడం మీరు కూర్చోండి, భవానీ మేడం మీరు కూర్చోండి, వెనకాలని కవర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ
ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ.
ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಅರಿವನ ಕಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ತಾವಿದೆ. ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಳರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚರಿಯದಂತೆ
హచ్చే కార్తీక పౌర్ణమి శుభాకాంక్షలు. అరే నువ్వు మధ్యలో ఉండి అందరు కట్టబోతున్నావు.